In a time where technology let the market down, one company decided to take action. They decided it was time for a revolution. Time to take responsibility. They dared to dream. They dared to invest.
Creating the best, most beautiful and innovative LVT flooring.
They had the knowledge. They had the skill. They had the technology. They decided to take matters into their own hands and let time be on their side.
We are creating a time machine.
Together, they found the solution to make LVT flooring better, stronger, and more beautiful.
Our improved LVT gives our customers solid and exceptional sales arguments.
Unilen wants to create the LVT of tomorrow, today.